Hello, children.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, children.
Hello, teacher.
Are you happy to be here today?
Yeah.
Okay, so you are at your favorite hub of learning, den of knowledge. Den of what?
Knowledge.
Okay, today we will have a very special class in cultural and creative arts. Everybody say cultural and creative arts.
Cultural and creative arts.
Our topic today is consequences of good behavior. Everybody say consequences of good behavior.
Consequences of good behavior.
But do you know the funny thing, the happiest thing about it? The happiest thing about this topic is that the teacher is not going to say too many words. No, we are going to do a small drama. A small drama that will show the reward for good behavior. When you exhibit good behavior. Okay, are you ready for today?
Yeah.
Alright, now I am going to sit on your seat while you come up here and then do the drama. So, Mesoma, you stand up. Nena, you stand up. Good luck, you stand up. And confidence, you stand up. Thank you very much. Okay, so I expect to see you have your wonderful play. Confidence is the mother, then good luck is the son, and Mesoma is the daughter, and Nena is the messenger from the government house. That is, she is a government official. Alright, we start the drama. Oh yeah, wait. Stand up a little. Oh yeah, sit this way. Good. Stand up a little. Sit this way. Good. Stand up. Sit this way. Good. Alright. Children, hello. Hey. Focus. We are still in the class. Okay. Let's start the drama. Action.
I'm not reading my book. Oh. Every time that I will read my book, every time read. Can someone not rest? I'm going to go and play.
My daughter go and wash the place.
What's wrong with
Teacher, mom said to go and read your book. You don't want to read your book, and the exam is coming soon.
Let the exam come now. It's not my business.
Go and fetch water.
It's every time that somebody will be walking. I'm not going to fetch anyone.
Hey, are you the mother to Mason? Is everything okay? They give her a scholarship in the school. Thank God, by the government. Yes.
It is okay. I said everything I said. Mommy, please forgive me. Will you forgive me, please?
Okay, children, clap for yourself, everybody. Clap for yourself. Very good. Now, with this short play, did you see that it is good to exhibit good behavior? True or false?
True.
So for every good behavior you exhibit, there is a reward. What are those good behavior? 1. Respect your mother and your father. Respect your elderly ones in school and outside school. Hello?
Hi.
Hello? Is there any problem there? When you do that, people will do what? Love you. Is that okay?
Yes.
Then secondly, always read your book. Always read your book. Now, did you see how Mesoma got a scholarship from the government?
Yeah.
Because she always read her book. And that made her to be what? A success. That made her to be what? A success. Is that okay? And when you exhibit good behavior, what will happen? Good things will be coming to you. Your parents will love you. Your teachers will love you. Everybody in the society will love you. And and you will have honor. But when you don't exhibit good behavior, you will not have any honor. Anywhere you enter, people will be, that stubborn goat has come again. People will be doing what? Now look at, now, are you getting? People will be running away from you because nobody loves a rebellious child. So, the lesson today is always exhibit good behavior. Always exhibit good
behavior.
Is it good to be good?
Yeah.
Is it good to be good?
Yes.
Is it good to be bad?
No.
Is it good to be bad?
No.
So from today, it is expected that you exhibit good behavior. Hope to see you next class. And I hope you really enjoyed today. Bye-bye.
Bye.